How do we find A and B? From this line, let us make A the subject of the formula. So we have A equal to 48 minus B. Now, let us replace this particular A with 48 minus B. So from this line, we have 48 minus B times B equal to 2. 48 times B, that is 48B, minus B times B, that is minus B square, equal to 2. This means that B square minus 48B plus 2 is equal to 0. You will observe that this quadratic equation is not factorizable, but we can solve it using quadratic formula or completing the square method. In this video, we are going to use completing the square method to solve this quadratic equation by completing the square method. The first thing we are going to do is to transfer this constant to the right hand side. So we have b squared minus 48b equal to minus 2. Now, let us add half of the coefficient of b and at the same time square it to both sides. So that will be b squared minus 48b plus the coefficient of b is minus 48. So the half of it will be minus 48 divided by 2. And at the same time square it equal to minus 2 plus this guy again, minus 48 divided by 2 all squared. That's the logic. So b squared minus 48b plus minus 48 divided by 2, that is minus 24 all squared, equal to minus 2 plus minus 48 divided by 2, that is minus 24 all squared. Let's proceed further. We can combine this left hand side. So doing that, we have b minus 24 all squared equal to minus 2 plus minus 24 all squared, that is simply 576. Let's continue. So b minus 24 all squared is equal to minus 2 plus 576, that is 574. Now, let us take square root of both sides. So we have square root of b minus 24 all squared equal to plus or minus square root of 574. Since 574 is a constant, that's why we have plus or minus preceding it. This means that clearly this bigger square root cancel out this power. We have b minus 24 equal to plus or minus square root of 574. So b is equal to, moving minus 24 to the right hand side, that becomes positive 24 plus or minus square root of 574. This means that b is either equal to 24. Consider the positive sign, we have plus square root of 574, or b is equal to 24. Consider the negative sign, we have minus square root of 574. You will observe that we have two solutions for b. We can then use this value of b to get the value of a, since a is equal to 48 minus b. Let me show you where we got this from. It's basically from this line. Let's continue. What we have to do now is to consider each value of b when b is equal to this first, 24 plus square root of 574. What will be the value of a? Let's plug the value of b here. So that will be a equal to 48 minus 24 plus square root of 574. A equal to 48 minus times 24 minus 24 minus times square root of 574. That is minus square root of 574. So A equal to 48 minus 24. That is simply 24 minus square root of 574. Thus, the first solution is A comma B equal to, what is A? A is this 24 minus square root of 574, comma, what is B? This is the value of B, 24 plus square root of 574. This is the first solution. Now, let's consider the other value of B, which is 24 minus square root of 574. Let's manage this side. When B is equal to 24 minus square root of 574, this is 7. Plugging this value of B into this guy, we have A equal to 48 minus 24 minus square root of 574. A equal to 48 minus times 24, that is minus 24, minus times minus, that is plus square root of 574. A equal to 48 minus 24, that is 24, plus square root of 574. Thus, similarly, the second solution is A comma B equal to, what is A? A is this 24 plus square root of 574, comma, and what is B? B is this guy 24 minus square root of 574. This is the second solution, but that is not enough. Let's verify if these solutions are indeed correct. Verify using equation 1, which is A plus B equal to 48. This is the first solution. Let us check it. This is A, Y, this is B. Plugging these values here, we have 24 minus square root of 574 plus B is 24 plus square root of 574. 24 plus 24, that is 48, minus square root of 574 plus square root of 574 goes. We are left with 48. This is exactly what we have on the right hand side of this equation. Thus, indeed, the first solution is correct. Now, let's check for the second solution. This is A, Y, this is B. So this equation becomes 24 plus square root of 574 plus our B is now this guy 24 minus square root of 574. This equal to 24 plus 24, that is 48, square root of 574 minus square root of 574, that is 0. You will see that this 48 is exactly what we have on the right hand side of this equation. Thus, indeed, the second solution is correct. That's it.